Hi everyone, I am Maithilee and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show how to DIY a basic bottle into a VSCO Girl inspired bottle. And if you don't know, VSCO Girl is a funny trend that's going in the YouTube's beauty lifestyle community. And a VSCO Girl is similar to a Tumblr girl. The VSCO Girl carries some things with her, and one of them is her water bottle. Well, the bottle is covered in stickers and it looks really cute, and I thought I should DIY it, and this is how it turned out. So I took the stickers from Pinterest, and these were some really funny stickers, and yeah, this is how it looks. And you can also use sticker paper to make stickers. I wanted to do the DIY from scratch, that's why I did the method which you will see in the video, but you can absolutely use sticker paper. It will be more quick than the process I am going to show. And yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's start.